Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Ramanullah Gurbaz starred with a 52 balls 79 as Afghanistan beat the West Indies by 29 runs in the third and final T20 International in Lucknow to win the series 2-1. Gurbaz struck 6 fours and 5 sixes in his knock and steered Afghanistan to 156 for 8. Despite a fighting 52 of 46 balls, some share hope the Windies could manage only 127 for 7, falling short by 29 runs. Rashid Khan won his third toss of the series, and the decision seemed to have backfired when Sheldon Cottrell reduced Afghanistan to 12 for 2 after 3 overs. But Gurbaz batted fearlessly at the other end and brought up his 50 of 38 balls. He and Ashgar Afghan added 50 for the fourth wicket in just 6.1 overs. Mohammad Nabi and Najibullah Zadran's late fireworks took the side past 150 as Afghanistan collected 93 from the last 10 overs. Evan Lewis, 24, opened with Lendl Simmons, who recovered from his flu and replaced Sherfane Rutherford. But the Windies were soon struggling at 42 for 3 at the end of 8 overs, with the required rate having gone well past 9. Shea Hope, who came in for the injured Dennis Ramdin, tried to keep West Indies in the game and partnered with Shimron Hetmar to take the side to 78 for 3 at the end of 12 overs. Rashid broke the stand with Hetmar's wicket, who mishit a googly to point. The Afghan bowlers were stingy, giving away just 16 runs in the last 3 overs to seal the victory.